Express the number 0.000025 in standard form. Expressing a number in standard form simply means we have to express the number in the form a times 10 raised to the power n, where 1 is less than or equal to e, strictly less than 10, and n belongs to a set of integers. Going back to the given number, we have 0.000025. We are to express this number in this form a times 10 to the power n. First step, what we are going to do is we are going to fix a decimal point immediately after the first known zero digit of the number. The first known zero digit of this number is 2. We are going to fix a decimal point immediately after 2. Next step, we have to count the number of digits from the new decimal point right up to the original decimal point. This is it. In this case, the counting will be done to the left. That means the power of 10, our n, will be a negative integer. This will give us our a will simply be, we are going to copy this value after fixing the decimal point immediately after the first known zero digit. This will give us 2.5 times 10 to the power. Next, we have to get the power of 10. We are going to count the number of digits from the new decimal point, which is this, right up to the original decimal point, which is here. Counting the number of digits, we have 1, this is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. That means we have 5 digits to the left. This will simply give us the power of 10 to be negative 5, since we are counting to the left. Therefore, 0.000025 in standard form is simply equal to 2.5 times 10 to the power negative 5.